We are back at the Twinkie today. This is episode 10, and I'm going to get some cleanup done today, hopefully. The window's all opened for ventilation. Of course, I leave the door open when I'm in it also. And today's a nice, chilly, breezy day, so it's a good day to be working. And brought over some bins here to put the stuff that's laying on the floor. We're going to do some cleanup. Get some of this stuff. We may have to repurpose those fans. I don't know. So I bought the bins to put them in. Yeah, just get them out of the way. And of course, I don't know where I put my small tripod. So I grabbed this one. So we'll make the best of it. I think my camera might even be too heavy for it, but we'll find out. These are going to be scraps. I have a friend that does scrapping. Okay, cords are going to follow these. I hope these pins are big enough. Oh, okay, just barely. Come on, you conglomerate cords. Okay, you know how this goes. And another thing is, all these jars that I was going to recycle, I've been using for screws and stuff, so it's a good thing I left them in here. Okay, let me clear this thing out. Ick. Twinkie comes with spiders. At least it's an exterior spider, right? It's just a little one, but still, they're creepy. I don't like spiders. Okay, I stopped procrastinating. Got some of it out, but not much. Had to go change clothes because it was getting too hot. And let me see, what is it? Here's what the temperature is already. Nice that that's there. And I've got an idea for these walls. I'm not going to say what my idea is yet. I've been looking at some renovation videos on RVs, and this one guy did something to his that I really, really liked, and it's one of those things that you're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. But I think it'll look kind of cool in here, so I think I might try it, and I'm not going to tell you yet. So that'll be on a future video. It'll be a surprise. If I ever get that far, I swear. Oh. Okay, get to work. So what am I going to do? I can't get power. Tried, still can't get power. The power post needs to be fixed. And I still have all these silly little nails in the floor. A lot of them are screws. So I'll be working on those. And then I'll have somebody help me pull out the heater, because I'm not going to be using the heater. And that could be a great storage spot right there. So, okay, let's get busy. It doesn't smell as bad in here as it did before I took out the carpeting and all the fabrics. So I think a really good deep cleaning will help. And what I do is I get Irish Spring soap and I just make shavings of it and sit it around certain places to help with the odor control. It still smells like cigarettes, but I don't smell mildews or anything like that. Just cigarettes, but the cigarettes might be rather overpowering the mildew. But no, I don't know. I'm real sensitive to mildews, and I can smell those right away. And I did get this at the store. Look at that. I saw that at Walmart. So I thought, okay, I'll give it a try. I was going to go to Home Depot and buy their mold eliminator. But I saw this and I thought, what the heck, it's right here, I'm right here, so I'll give it a try. Plus, it's natural. It's non-toxic, because I have to be careful with toxins. He had a few of these mats in this RV. I threw all of them away except this one so I could use it as a knee pad, and it's been sitting outside for maybe 2 months now, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty clear of anything. Oh, get my mask on. Almost forgot. That's not... What's under that? That's stapled. Oh yeah, hammer, 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 hammer. Where are you? I know I left one in here. Oh goody, it's right here. You know what, this isn't really gonna work. Shoot. One, the hammer's too big, and I gotta get under these. Yeah, the hammer's too tall. Oh shoot. Get my scraper too. Yeah, that's a... Right there, that's just a... You know what? Check this floor. I don't know what the floor is going to be like under this furnace. I'm wondering if I should... No, I should pull those out. Yeah. But I'm going to have to go back and get a smaller hammer, darn it. I don't know, these screws are so rusted. Wow. Okay, got that one. Like I say, I'm never quite sure what I'm going to do when I come down here. And I was lucky enough to borrow a pry bar. So thank you, Norm. I really appreciate it. This is going to make my job a lot easier. And I need to get a little container to stick those nails in, rather than just leave them lay around until I'm done. Okay, so there's my jar. Here's 3 nails that I pulled out. You know, I think I was calling them screws a little while ago. I don't know why. They're not screws, they're nails. Okay, so move the hammer, move the screwdriver, and let's see if we can get some leverage with this baby. Jeez. This isn't going to be easy either. I really need a different kind. Let's see, the problem is, oh, I missed a cabinet door when I took off my cabinet doors. There we go. That one was a screw. These little bitty ones, I might have to just hammer them back into the floor. Yeah, it doesn't even have much left on it to... Doesn't have much of a head left on it to pull it up. that's taken care of. I plan on putting a wood laminate floor down. Not wood, but wood grain looking laminate floor. Okay, so I got rid of, well, I didn't actually get rid of, I got my needle nose pliers and tried to pull it up, and it was so rusted that the head broke off. And so what I did was just took the hammer sideways and banged it down until I got it down into the floor. Alrighty, I think I'm done. Oh, one more thing. Get that off. I'll be back. Oh, jeez. Let's take it off real quick. I'm getting a little shaky because I've been doing this all day. Removing every little thing I can find that needs to be removed. And I am done removing all the piddly stuff for the day. Let's see what the temperature is now. So it's been a long day. I've been in here for several hours just removing little things. Tomorrow I'll come in. My hands are absolutely filthy. And I'll remove these off the bottoms of the cabinet doors and stick them in a jar. And get the microwave down. Tomorrow's supposed to be another nice day, I believe. I might even take the AC shroud off. Take the little magnet things off and mark where they were. Because there's so many holes in the ceiling, it's ridiculous. Oh, those are rivets. Huh, that's interesting. Anyhow, I will mark these when I take them down. I can unplug this baby. I'm not going to be using it. Nothing. Anyhow, there we go. Take care of that in a second too. Jeez, everything wants to fall down on me. I found another one of these door handles, which is awesome. I really kind of wanted to put the door locks on the outside because I haven't gotten around to that yet. But I got too involved in here today. So maybe I should start that first tomorrow. So, toilet paper holders gone, all towel racks are gone, all the little lights that were screwed to the ceiling are now gone. So that's good. I did a little bit of hand dusting, but not a lot. Because I really don't want, you know, even with the mask on, I just don't want the stuff all over me. So as soon as I get the power fixed, I'll do that with the vacuum, or with the shop vac rather. So the other day I thought I got all the cabinet doors off, but I missed the ones under here, so now they're off. And when I remove this furnace, that'll give me even some more storage space right under there, so that'll be kind of cool. You never know when you're going to need extra storage for something. Oh boy. So I'm going to leave that because that is the cable for the TV. However, I may not have to. I don't know. I'll have to check things out. Because over here while I was working, I saw that there is a phone and a cable outlet right there. So we'll see what I have to work with. Let me point out a couple of things since I have all the doors off. Turn on this flashlight. Come on, flashlight. Okay. For one, I really don't know what that thing is. Flashlight's dying. I really don't know what that thing is. Okay, so let's look. Okay, that looks good. The plumbing right there, that looks good. There's a possible leak on that one. So this is the advantage of taking the cabinet doors off, and having the availability to these things that may have been sealed. I don't know. When I test the system, I'll find out. Let's go. Of course, under there's the water tank and the furnace, which I plan on taking out, of course, as I said. I got this other corner thing off the wall. So they're off the walls now. All the teeny tiny lights are off. I'm so happy. Holy cow. Okay, that has definitely been leaking. So I'll have to replace this board and work on that plumbing right there. But, you know, this is an open slate, so it's pretty cool. You know, my Class C isn't this easy to access on everything. This one, wow, it's just like an open slate. So, as I said, tomorrow I'll come in and take the magnets and all the other piddly stuff off, and I'll put the locks on the exterior doors, because I haven't gotten around to that yet. So, it's been a long day, it's been a busy day, and I have to go dog sit. And that thing is full of fans and light fixtures. And, oh, there's the other handle. You like that fast swing there I just did? We're going to call it a day. We are calling it a day. Zoom out, take a good look at everything. I should have taken before and after pictures of all the lights and stuff, but I didn't. But if you watch my previous video, you will see that there, you know, where the lights and stuff were. So, and yeah, I will take that AC shroud off tomorrow. It's supposed to be a nice day. Again, so I'm taking advantage of the weather while I can. That won't be hard to take off. It'll just be kind of icky, but it won't be hard to take off. Okie dokie. So, let's look outside. No, that's ugly RV. That's ugly RV. We have nothing pretty to look at today. Except progress. Progress, progress, progress is good. So yeah, tomorrow I'll remove all these things and put them in another container. Okay, I got quite a bit done. And I'm repeating myself. So, what? How could you change so quickly? Am I full of hot air when I talk? Is that what you're telling me? Thank you. So kind. Oh, see, now drop it because it hurt me. So, live the life you love and have a good one. And I will catch y'all later. Catch ya. I'm not going to cut you. I'm going to catch y'all later. Ugh. Anyhow, yeah, it's time to go. I'm getting slap happy or something. Okay, bye.